Customers say your price is too high. One of the things that no salesperson would ever want to hear is that the price is too high. We would have been prospecting for months and then going on dates for an appointment. After giving the presentation, the customer tell us that the product is good and I liked it, but your price is too high. Well, we feel awkward. How to handle this situation? We need a presence of mind here and ask them a question. Sir, are you mentioning about the price or the cost? So they would start thinking if there is a difference between price and cost. Here we start our pen and paper strategy. It's a closing method. Have an example. A customer comes to a car showroom and asks for a car. After demonstration, when we say its price, the customer may say the price is too high. Now take your pen and paper and tell them, yes sir, you are correct. When we look at ours and competitors, our price is too much. But please see this. Here we should turn their attention to our paper and pen. Then start writing price of our car and competitors. That is the price of the car that the customer mentioned about. Of course, there is a difference between that. Ours is too high. Below that, continue writing about things like the maintenance charge, petrol or diesel, service charges, tax and so on. Similarly, pen down the investment for the next 5 years is known as the cost. Finally, resale value has to be written. That means 5 years later, when the car is sold, the customer will get approximately this much money. Then minus the resale value from the price, so the cost will be clear to them. Then tell them if they were talking about the price, but this is the cost. A lot of people might be competing with us by the price, but no one can beat us with the cost. Look for the long term and decide whether you are looking for a good price or cost. By explaining this much, we leave the customer to think. Then they think we were right and we show them the insight they don't see. Then what we are grabbing their attention and they start trusting us. Trusting is the most important thing in sales. We must never make the customer feel that we were hiding things by not telling them. We must convince why our price is high compared to others. So use the closing method strategy if your price is too high.